Game news this week kicks off with the sequel to the game that no one remembers. EA confirmed Titanfall 2 with a release trailer this week, a teaser trailer as it were, announcing at the same time that the game would be on display in some form at their Play event during E3. EA's Play event starts on June 12th and was set up because the company is skipping E3. So far, no other details have come out about the game that are noteworthy, but you can expect to hear more about it in June. Some sad news for many World of Warcraft fans this week. The popular private server Nostalrius was shut down on April 10th. This comes from a cease and desist issued by Blizzard Entertainment. The Nostalrius server has allowed players to keep playing vanilla WoW as it was 13 years ago, pre-expansion, and is somewhat similar to Project 99 for EverQuest. Before being shut down, Nostalrius had over 150,000 active players. To signify the ending of their server, players got together to travel from the Orc capital, Orgrimmar, to the Thunderbluff Cliffs, where they jumped to their deaths. In addition, many attempted to stream the server's final moments, but in another spit to the face, the private server violated Twitch TV's terms of service, and so the streams were shut down. One of the 10,000 upcoming character-based team battle arena first-person shooter RPGs, Battleborn, entered open beta this week. Until April 18th, players can hop on and try out the game for free. Before, 2K had said that nothing unlocked in this beta would carry over to the full release of the game, and for the most part that still stands, but players in the beta can collect very large numbers of quote-unquote shards and redeem those massive numbers of shards. Those who collect enough shards can unlock gold skins, whatever those may be, and those will be available in the full game once it releases. So whether or not the beta wipes everything, those will remain. Stardew Valley was also in the news this week. The indie farming RPG hit over 1 million sales since it was released 2 months ago, according to publisher Chucklefish Games. This also puts Stardew Valley under Ark and H1Z1 in Steam sales for 2016. For those not aware, Stardew Valley is a Harvest Moon style RPG. Players control a young man who inherits a farm from a grandfather, and like Harvest Moon, you're expected to do all the things about a farm in which to turn a profit. We're not yet sure how the game deals with corn subsidies, though. So that is all for this week. Check out the Patreon link in the postal video to help us out directly, and let us know if you found any of this news interesting. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time.